In this video, we're going to review BMNR and whether it's a legit investment or a scam. We're going to talk about the risk involved with it, the key catalyst, and why I'm buying more right now. All right, guys, one thing I ask, smash that like button down below for me. It really helps out the channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you. You're certainly welcome to subscribe as well, and then YouTube will be more likely to show you the videos that I've got upcoming. So with that, I want to highlight one trade that we just made. We highlighted this on the Discord back in August. It was back on August 26th, and it's one of my biggest positions, and it's actually killing it. It's the AMD poor man's covered call, and it's up over $4,000 in just the last 30 days. So we've been killing it the whole year in this position, and the poor man's covered call strategy is really profiting on both sides. So on any pullback, it profits on the short call side, and then we can close that out and then put it on again on an up day. And that's what I've been doing. And you can see here just over the last 30 days, it's made $4,082 in profit. So be sure and join the Discord and see all of my trades. The link is pinned in the comments down below, and you just click the link, enter your email address, and I'll send you the info to sign on. It just takes 10 seconds, and it's completely free for life if you join now, and you'll be one of the founding traders. We'll eventually close the free spots, so be sure and join now, and share your trade ideas as well on the Discord and comments section of this video as well. Really appreciate that. And with that, we'll jump into it. All right, is BMNR a legitimate investment? Bitmine Immersion Technologies is a legitimate investment. It's publicly traded with a unique position as one of the largest corporate holders of Ethereum. Key catalysts are going to be the Ethereum price. The institutional backing is huge. That's what I love about trading this BMNR. There's options available as well as the stock. It's an ETF, so it's easy for institutions to invest and the public. It's really going to do well based on the trading volume growth and investor investment, as well as the strategic asset expansion. So as the crypto market does well, it will do well. As far as high volatility and crypto price exposure, very high volatility, so we can collect good premiums if we do the poor man's covered call and sell that call against our long call that we buy that's deep in the money about a year out. Dilution and financing risk is a risk, as well as regulatory market risk. But with the current administration, they're very pro-crypto. That's only going to help. Bitmine Immersion Technologies went public on June of 2025, and Tom Lee's involvement has significantly impacted BMNR, strengthening and its strategic direction and investor confidence. Its corporate strategy to focus more aggressively on acquiring Ethereum as a treasury asset, moving beyond pure Bitcoin mining. So originally it was just doing Bitcoin mining, but now there's a complete strategy. And his backing, Tom Lee's, also helped BMNR execute a major $365 million stock offering in September of 2025 at a premium, attracting premier institutional investors, including Kathy Wood, ARK Investment Fund, and that whole Ethereum accumulation strategy. It's kind of mimicking what Michael Saylor has done with MSTR MicroStrategy. So Tom Lee's involvement has effectively repositioned BMNR as a leading crypto treasury asset and improved its market credibility. Now, if we look at the chart for Bitmine, BMNR, you can see when it went public, very volatile, spiked up, came back down, settled in. And right now, it's kind of been moving sideways. And with the pullback in crypto right now, that's why I think it's a great opportunity to get in right now. Actually, BMNR and Tom Lee has been accumulating more Ethereum just recently on the market pullback. And you can see that there's support at the level right now. It's at 34. So there's a lot of support at this level right now. So I'm looking for it to break out and move much higher. All right, before we jump into the trade that I've got on and that I'm going to put more on, I want to talk about a few of the key catalysts. So first, the Genius Act. It is a major tailwind because it finally gives stablecoins a clear federal regulatory framework, something the industry's lacked for a decade or more. By standardizing licensing, reserve requirements, and allowing state-level oversight for smaller issuers, it opens up the door for massive institutional participation. Also, the financial institutions are dominating the global market cap rankings. So 7 of the world's 30 largest companies are financial institutions, underscoring just how enormous the global payments, banking, settlement market really is. As crypto infrastructure scales, even a tiny share of that market shifting on-chain becomes a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. And Project Crypto. Wall Street moves on-chain. The SEC's Project Crypto initiative is a catalyst because it signals the U.S. government's commitment to modernizing securities rules and actively pushing Wall Street toward blockchain-based settlement. Finally, Bitmain is the world's second largest crypto treasury, only behind MicroStrategy. Now, this position places Bitmain amongst the most influential corporate participants in the digital asset ecosystem. A treasury of this scale signals long-term strategic conviction in Bitcoin as a reserve, as well as Ethereum, and balance sheet strength and willingness to use digital assets as a financial hedge, and increased market credibility, reinforcing institutional trust in the sector. As corporate treasuries accumulate more Bitcoin, it supports price stability, reduces circulating supply, and accelerates mainstream adoption. All right, guys, here we are on the Tastytrade trading platform. This is my favorite for trading options. There's a link down below. Check it out. There's some benefits if you go through my link. So I've got 3 leaps on right now. I've got 1 short call that I sold against it. So I've already closed out 2 leaps making money on the pullback. I've closed out 2 of the short calls against those leaps. So I'm going to look to put a new trade on right now. We'll go to the table mode, and I'm going to go out to January of 2027, 425 days. So I'm going to go way out because I like it long term. I'm going to go to the 35 call and click on the buy. Calls are on the right, puts are on the left. We're going to click right there on the buy, and the mid price is $15.75. So 1 option contract controls 100 shares of stock. So that's $1,575, $1,575. Now, we can close this up and open up the December 33 days to expiration option chain, and I'm going to sell a call against it. I can sell the 45, which is the 42 delta, for $2.82. Or we can go a little bit further out. For $2, we can go out to 43. So I like that. Actually, I like the 41 at 245. That brings the cost down by the $2.45 or $245 to $13.14. So we can make that $250 every month and just do this continuously. And in 6 months, we're basically going to pay off the cost of doing it. So any increase in the leaps, we're going to make money on that in addition to any pullbacks on the short call. So with that, we just hit review and send over here and place the trade. All right, guys, BMNR is a real company with SEC oversight. And on this dip, this pullback, I think it's a great opportunity. It is volatile, so I definitely wouldn't trade more than 5% of any account in it, but there's huge upside potential. So be sure and like and subscribe down below. Join the Discord through the pinned comment and see all my trades. Leave a comment, ask a question. I answer every one. And there's also a free workshop down below in the link. and an option trading mastery course if you want to learn everything about options. All right. See you in the next one.